So, I'm here. I'm going to do the cross, climb, and clamp arm lock. Okay? I cross his arms. I climb and I clamp. I shimmy and I switch to one arm. So he's like in a nice established base. Move around. I might move one arm out here. He brings it back in and I cross it. I climb and I clamp. I can even cross my feet right here. Pull your arms up. Pull your arms up. You see I got his arms clamped in there. Okay. Cross. Climb. I'm kind of losing here, but it didn't matter too bad. And I'm reaching again. My hip is reaching up to pull my clamp in. Remember, my clamps are my heels, my hooks are my toes. And I'm arm locking them. All right? Come here, Prue. But too slow, get back, I'm kidding. Cross. Climb. See, sometimes I'll climb up over each shoulder. Sometimes I'll pull one in just into the armpit and one over the shoulder. I start to play my body, pull my clamp in, and arm lock. Let's do it.